How do we solve x squared minus 8x plus 15 equals 0? There are several ways of solving quadratic equation, but for this session, we are only using completing the square to solve the equation. And also, there are also different ways of using completing the square to solve equation. But this method I'm suggesting is because we've learned how to complete a square, we're just going to complete the square, then from there we continue to solve the equation. So we just start by completing the square. Our b is 8, so we divide 8 by 2, that gives us 4, and you should by now know your formula and how to substitute the values of b over 2. And all you need to do is whatever you write is equal to 0 because you're solving equation. That's the only difference. Continue computing your numbers. 4 squared, 16. So we have minus 16 plus 15. Work that out. And that gives you x minus 4 all squared minus 1. Then equal to 0. That is the end of completing the square. We're now going to continue to solve equation by adding 1 to both sides. So we have x minus 4 all squared equals 1. We need to now find the square root of both sides to cancel off the square. So take square root of both sides. That gives us x minus 4 equals plus or minus 1. Remember, when you find square root of a positive number, you have both positive and negative answers. So to work out x, we add 4 to both sides. So x equals plus or minus 1 plus 4. That will help us split our answer into 2. First x is positive 1 plus 4 equals 5. Second x is negative 1 plus 4 equals 3. You can double check by substituting 5 into the equation and it will sum up to 0. You can also check the same using 3. That will also sum up to 0.